Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to deactivate follower button on Facebook profile. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Firstly, open the Facebook application. So when you will click on Facebook application, so you can see profile option, so just click on it. So after this you can see three dot on top right corner. So after this you can see view as option, so just click on it, and then you can see follower button is activated on my Facebook profile. So if I want to deactivate or hide the follower button, so then go back, and here you can see three lines on the top right corner, so just click on it and then click on setting and privacy. So after this you can see setting options, so just click on it and then scroll down, and after this you can see audience and visibility. So in audience and visibility you can see how people can find and contact you, so just click on it, and here you can see I selected friends of friends, so just click on it and then select everyone. So after this go back, and here you can see followers and public content option, so just click on it, and here you can see who can follow me, so just click on it and then select here friends. So after this who can see your followers on your timeline, so just click on it, and here also select friends. So after this you can see who can see people page and list you follow, so just click on it, and here you can select anyone according to you. I am selecting friends. So after this who can comment on your public post, so also select here publics. So after this you can see public post notification, so just keep it public. So after this you can see public profile info, so just click on it and select here public. So then go back and click on profile, and here you can see three dots, so just click on it and then click on view as. So you can see a follower button is deactivated. So guys, in this way you can deactivate follower button on Facebook profile. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.